Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install some patio string lights. Let's talk about the supplies you're going to need for this. So what I actually used first off is the cable. I'm using 50 feet of this galvanized vinyl coated cable, and this is going to strengthen any of the runs of your lights so that you're not putting all the stress just on the electrical cord from those string lights. The load is being distributed over this cable. So to tie off the ends of this cable, I got some of these rope clips, and essentially the ends just screw off. So all I'm doing to create a nice little loop with this wire is I'm going to slide wire through this clip, and then we're going to just bend it, come back around, push that through, and then I'm going to figure out about where I want this loop to be, so right about there, and then I'm just going to tighten these up. There we go. We've got our nice tight loop to hang this. I'll show you how I'm going to tighten them down, but that's what allows me to put loops on the ends of each one of my cables. With these screw eyes, these are 2 3/16 size, and I used a 13/16 drill bit for drilling those holes. I think it turned out pretty good. Fun patio lights or sidewalk lights here, adding to the decor of the outside of our house and between our garage. Things seem to be fastened pretty good, and this was a pretty quick and fun project to do.